Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are looking at Toyota Prius steering rack replacement. This steering rack has failed. It has been producing a noise similar to that of failed shock absorbers, more like bouncing tires. On investigation, we found that the shaft is moving sideways, producing a noise when driving through potholes or humps. So we bought a new one from eBay at £225 together with a universal joint. The replacement is straightforward. I shall tell you through the procedure. The procedure is you need to align the tire so it is straight. Align your steering. Then you need to undo the track rod end, both sides. Thereafter, you need to remove the engine cover, which we have removed, this one. Then the steering is secured with two screws, long screws. They come from the top. They are also very easy to come out. They're very easy. The difficult part was that you also need to lift the engine up. Take one of the mounting, the back mounting. As you can see there, the back mounting is off. We also had to take the mounting, this one, off as well. Thereafter, we had to jack up the engine. After jacking up the engine, that gave us sufficient space to now take out. This was a problem. This was a culprit. It wouldn't come out through the mounting, so we had to raise the mounting up. That's how we raised the engine up, and the mounting was loose. We also took the through screw on the mounting, but possibly we should not have done it. It's still there, but we shouldn't have done it. The bottom mounting is secured with four screws underneath. Secured with 4 screws underneath the bottom mounting. So it's got these two, 1, 2, and 2 screws through these walls. And as I said, the steering is secured with 2 screws. This one comes from the top with a notch at the bottom. They're all straightforward to come out, but I'll still recommend you use the WG-40. Also, the difficult part of which is what this one, to take off this universal joint, we found that there was a big rubber, this one. So this was a bit of a nightmare to push it out, to push it up, to remove this screw, this one. Yeah. So generally the job is straightforward. If you've got a lamp, you should be able to do this job in 1.5 hours. Then do your alignment. I'm doing on the floor. It will take me roughly about a couple of hours, but I could have done it also in 1.5 hours. It's a straightforward job. All right, guys. As usual. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.